In this video, I want to show you how you can build a Facebook page for your business or your brand. You might ask me, why is it important to build a Facebook page in 2024? And I'll tell you that if you're going to run adverts for your business, for your products, you need to have a page that has a good amount of following. Have you ever come to a page before and you're ready to buy, but when you check them out online, you sort of just had like only 5 to 10 followers? How did you feel afterward? Did you really trust them? I'm sure that your trust level for the business kind of like dropped. You maybe thought it was a scam account or a parody account, that kind of thing. And so you want to avoid those kind of scenarios in your marketing online. And so you also need a Facebook page because you might want to attract things like brand deals and partnerships. People check you out online to see how many followers you have and know whether it's really worth it doing business with you, because your amount of followers shows the amount of people you can impact. So without further ado, let's get right into my screen and I'll show you how. By the way, my name is Stanley, and if you like this video or you're interested in this kind of content, I just ask you one favor, which is just like, subscribe, and also share this video. So let's get right into it. So you head onto your Facebook page, right? And you go to this menu option. Please note that you can only create a Facebook page from your Facebook profile. So you go to your Facebook profile and bring up the menu, and you have all these options here. So click on page, and then a name is required for you to impute. So let's say we're creating a page for a real estate business, and let's call it Dubai Luxury Homes, for instance, right? And we can look at a category. Let's say it's a real estate agency. I can put real estate agent, I can put real estate company. So you don't have to overthink this information for the category, right? It's just for it to be in line with what you're promoting. And your bio, and we say we sell the most beautiful homes in Dubai. This is just, I didn't think about it. I'm just putting it as it comes to my head. And then you create your page. And this is very easy. Your page is created immediately, right? Oh, sorry. So what's coming up here is that this name is invalid. I was wondering why it was taking so much time to load. So we can just of luxury deals. Let's try this. Luxury has to be with you there. And okay, this looks like it's gonna approve. Okay, so right now the name has been created, and we can, let's say we have a website. I'm just forming this website for my head, and we can use a phone number. This number is not my number, but this email is my email. And then if you can put your address there as well, you have like your office address, you're working from home, maybe an agent, and you also have to put the number of hours you have to work. So if you put selected hours, it brings up this for you. You can put an opening time and closing time if you want. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put always open, and we go to the next page. And so we have to have a profile picture. Profile picture is very easy. So I picked this picture from pexels.com. And so if you want to get free pictures without copyright stress, you can get them here. So I picked this picture for the homepage. And then for the cover photo, I'll pick another picture here that I downloaded from pexels.com. And you see it, our page is already popping and looks really like a luxury brand. So I'll go to the next. Time to load. Then you have the choice to include your WhatsApp client, but I'm going to ignore that for now. If you want your clients to reach out to you straight on WhatsApp, then this is a very good idea. Then skip on this, and then you have the chance to invite all your friends and followers so that they can follow you on your page and start building your page. So I advise you do that, but because this is a demo or just a page for giving examples like this, I will not click that. I'll just click on next, and then it brings me to this page where it tells me that I could opt into marketing and promotional emails about my page. I could say yes to it or no. It all depends, but I'll just say no to it because I have this already activated on other pages that I have. So I can click on done, and my page is ready to go, right? So now I can take a tour and see from Facebook. This is very I advise you to do this. Take a tour so you can understand a lot of things about your page, and just if it's your first time creating a Facebook page, you can understand a lot of things about your page, and then you can go ahead and put your first post. I can say hello to the world, right? And this page is live and direct, and people, well, nobody at the moment can see this post because I have 0 likes and 0 followers. I can also connect my Instagram profile. And this is very straightforward for you so that you can have a profile connected to this, your page. So you can actually post something on this page and to reflect on your Instagram. I've written my welcome post, which is good. And I can put up videos if I want on my page, or pictures, images as a post. So if I come here and just put, and I say, okay, this is the page, and I say, okay, for sale in Dubai, and already it's very easy. I already started posting on this page, and it's as simple as you can think about. Right? But yeah, so then my post is live. This is one of the posts I already put here. And there are some things you need to pay attention to. First and foremost, you see I have 0 likes and 0 followers. I've done a video that shows you how you can grow your page. I suggest that you should watch that video so you can see I can grow your page without necessarily getting your friends to follow you, but get strangers that may be interested in your kind of business, and they'll follow your page. Your page can grow to 1,000, 10,000 within a week or even less. Then there are things I want you to look on your page. Look at your professional dashboard so you can see how far your post is going, your engagement for each post you put out there, which is really very important so that you can know what's working and what's not working, right? You can also go to insights, right? Insights shows you the reach, your engagement, your page likes, right? It shows your audience. This audience information is really important, and you need to have at least 100 followers for you to see the audience that are connecting. You could see their countries, you can see their gender, you can see a lot of things about that audience, which will now help you if you want to run ads to that page. And then Ad Center is also, I won't go into that at the moment because that's all about ads. I just want to show you some things that you can appreciate about having a Facebook page, which you might not have in your current Facebook account. So you can go to the insight and see your post reach, your engagement. You can see the content, how your content are performing, the audience, your male, female, their population, their country. These are very important information and details you need to use to run advertisement for your page. So I hope you like this video. This is very basic. I didn't want to go into a lot of details, but if you do like this video and you want me to post something in this line, please leave me a comment down below and tell me what you want. And I told you that you should check out the video where I showed how to increase your followers to about 10K in a month, or 1K at least, with a little ad spend. This doesn't cost you anything. It costs you really little money, and you can do that very easily. So please like, comment, and share this video if you found value from it, and I'll see you on the next video.